Assalamualaikum, ini ada Bu Martini, petani sejati nih dari lokasi yang tidak jauh penanaman pengujian padi.
Bulirnya bagus-bagus ini, di tegalan aja bagus, apalagi kalau di sawah.
Iya.
Kali lebih bagus lagi kali.
Iya.
Padinya?
Ya.
Kalau ini supadi.
Supadi seperti ini. Ya, ya. Tapi dengan melihat ini malah tambah saya lagi nggih. Nggih. Iya, ya.
Kalau supadi itu kan agak tinggi dikit.
Baik. Ya, ya.
Today on The Explainer, we're joining the scientific hunt for a new kind of super rice.
It's a huge question, and it's exactly the challenge Indonesia is facing right now. That massive number? That's the country's recent rice deficit, a huge gap between need and supply. See, demand is just shooting up, but production is barely inching forward. It's not sustainable.
And to make things worse, they're losing huge amounts of farmland to development every single year.
So, if you can't get more land, what's the answer? Well, you have to engineer better rice. Scientists are looking for specific genotypes. That's rice with the perfect genetic code to handle tough conditions. It comes down to two main types, high-yield sprinters or super stable marathon runners. A big choice. So how do you find the best of the best? You make them survive the gauntlet. First up, the drought test. Can these plants survive in dry, rocky soil with almost no water?
Next, disease. The heat and humidity here create a perfect storm for all sorts of nasty stuff.
And finally, pests. In some of these trials, rats literally wiped out entire fields. Absolutely brutal. So after all that, the results roll in, and you get some very clear winners and, well, losers. Some of the candidates were just amazing. This one, for example, did great even under serious drought stress. But a lot of the others, they failed, big time. They just couldn't handle the pressure. So this is what they're looking for, the winning traits, resilience, stability, and just plain toughness. But here's the thing, this job is never done. It's a constant cycle of testing and improving. They're always evaluating new lines, always searching for that next breakthrough to keep the country fed. You know, at the end of the day, this isn't just about rice. It's about a nation's future.
It all leaves us with one critical question. Do you go for maximum yield or guaranteed survival?